topic of my discussion is antigen-antibody interaction. But before we proceed to the next part, we need to introduce ourselves to two terms. One is the affinity and the other one is avidity. So what do we mean by affinity? Affinity is nothing but the strength of interaction between an antigen and an antibody. So if it is an antigen, say this is an antigen. So this antigen is bound with an antibody. So the strength with which this antibody binds with the antigen, the strength of interaction between these two molecules is denoted by the term affinity. So it is clear that what do we mean by affinity. And in case of the example is if we consider the example, we can see that IgG molecule, we can take IgG as the example of affinity. So IgG molecule is a single or univalent antibody, which means that only a single molecule of antigen, only a single molecule of IgG will bind with the antigen. But in the opposite term is multivalent. Multivalent means more than one antigens, more than one antibodies will bind with the antigen. Now coming to the term avidity. So avidity means if we consider the example of IgM. IgM is a multivalent antibody. Multivalent means more than one antibody will bind with a antigen. So univalent means single antigen bound by a single antibody. But multivalent means more than one antibody is binding with an antigen. So taking the example of IgM, let's look how the structure looks when IgM binds with an antigen. So this is the structure when a pentameric IgM binds with antigen. So 5 different molecules of antigen is bound by 5 molecules of IgM. But a single antigen is bound at a time by 2 antibody molecules. So here 5 molecules of antigen is bound by 5 molecules of IgM molecule. 5 molecules of antigen bound by 5 molecules of IgM. So a single antigen, say this is antigen 1, antigen 2, antigen 3, antigen 4, antigen 5. So each antigen is bound by 2 arms of 2 different antibody molecules. One antigen is bound at a time by 2 molecules of antibody molecules. Here the antibody is IgM, which is pentameric in nature. So the overall and each interaction, the interaction between a single antigen and a single antibody is called by the term affinity. So this is affinity. This is the affinity for a single interaction. Similarly, all the interactions have their own affinity, and when we sum up all the affinities of this pentameric IgM molecule with the antigen, we come to the term avidity. So the overall set of affinities is called the avidity for a multivalent antibody. One antigen is bound by 2 molecules of IgM one at a time. At a single time, at an instant of time, this antigen, a single antigen is bound by 2 molecules of IgM. That means for a single molecule of antigen, we get 2 different affinities. So the total affinity is 10 because one antigen, 2 affinities. Therefore 5 antigen, 10 affinities. 1 antigen equals to 2 affinity because 1 antigen is bound by 2 molecules of IgM. 5, that means 5 antigens. For 5 antigens, 10 affinities, we will get 10 affinities. So the sum of these 10 affinities is denoted by the term avidity. Avidity means the overall strength of interaction between different antigen binding arms of the antibody and the antigen. When we sum up all these, the overall value that we get is the value of avidity. So this is the difference between the term affinity and avidity. And now this affinity for a single IgG molecule, that means the strength by which the IgG molecule binds with an antigen, is much higher. IgG has a greater strength to bind with an antigen. But a single molecule of IgM, if we consider this single molecule of IgM, this IgM molecule does not have that much affinity to bind with an antigen. But when the overall affinity is calculated, that means the affinities of all the 10 interactions is calculated, and we sum up all this, the avidity that we get, the value of avidity that we get is much higher than the affinity of IgG for the antigen. So affinity is a greater value. Although the individual molecules of IgM has a lower affinity than the IgG molecule, but as this is the summation of all the affinities, the value ultimately becomes greater or higher. So this is the difference between avidity and affinity.